Wow, they wish they did not underestimate you. They really wish they did not underestimate you. You have achieved so much more than this person or these people could have ever envisioned. I'm talking about worldly success. For some of you, if it's not worldly success, whatever industry that you belong to, you are known for your skills and your talents. You are viewed very highly. There is a lot of respect that is put on your name. Some of you are the face of a company, or when people think of a company or a role, your face pops up. Your name is mentioned. You are a big deal. You are heavyweight. And you went through many challenges and people did not believe in you. Some people did believe in you, but there were more people that did not believe in you because what you were going up against was historic. No one in your family has reached these heights. No one in your environment, your area, your friendship group, your colleagues have reached these levels that you have reached. There are many people that do what you do, but they don't do it like you. And many people are aware of who you are. They know you've got this big, bright personality, this aura, this magnetic, shiny, sparkly star quality. You have that type of appeal whereby wherever you go, people look at you. They do double takes. They assume that you are in the public eye, and you definitely have a lot of charisma and star quality. I feel like you're supposed to be famous. Some of you don't want to hear that, but you're supposed to be famous. Look at this girl. She looks famous, right? I feel like whatever it is that you do, you may have been doing this for a long time. I'm hearing 10 years. And I'm even seeing 10 times on a packet of socks that I bought from the shop. But you've been doing this thing for an extremely long time. Take away the zero, it's one. We are in the number 1 year, right? We are in an Aries year. Aries for the first house, number 1. This is your time. There's something that you have achieved or something that you will achieve this year, which is going to make people really take you seriously. I'm not saying people didn't take you seriously before, but whatever it is that you're going to achieve is on a grand scale. It is next level. I'm talking about higher ups asking about you, higher ups wanting to learn from you, higher ups wanting to collaborate with you from industries that you are in. You being the game changer. And many people didn't expect this level of success. Yeah, they knew you were talented, but they didn't expect you to go hard. And you worked hard. This wasn't handed to you. You have the work ethic of 10 men, even if you're a female. And you had to go through a lot of healing also. You had to go through a lot of trials, tribulations, a lot of judgment, a lot of projections from others. You had to work through all of that. You had to heal while still keeping focus on your goals, on your dreams. And many people felt like because you didn't have maybe financial backing or support, or you were from a certain background, they didn't think that you would achieve this thing. And you were juggling a lot. Some of you had 2 jobs. Some of you were trying to make ends meet. But you kept your dream alive though. For good reason, because you're going to be successful. You have that way about you whereby you always dream. You always dream. You always have faith. You always keep the faith regardless of what's going on around you. You always know that there are better days ahead. Ever since you were young, you manifested this. And some people underestimated who you will end up with. They didn't expect you to be in this connection. They counted you out. Maybe they thought they were more deserving than you. But the level of love that you will receive from this partner, most people will envy. And it's not about people being jealous of you, but it's the simple fact that people didn't want you to have this love, or people assume that for whatever reason you would never achieve this love. But when they see how you and your person are both invested in this connection, they're going to be shocked and surprised and upset. They thought you may have given up on love. Maybe you went through a heartbreak that you felt almost destroyed you. And you were healing for a very long time. Maybe people pitied you. Maybe they felt like, oh, never gets it right with her partners or his partners, does he? Oh, poor thing. But what they didn't understand, that during your time of healing, you are manifesting a better life for yourself. And that's why you're going to connect with the romantic partner that you desire, that you deserve, because you've been working on yourself, because you've been pouring love into yourself, because you began to treat yourself the way you wanted to be treated, and you attracted that same love back. And it was not easy. They underestimated how you use your spare time. They may have thought that you had given up on your goals, you weren't working on any goals, only to realize that these very goals are going to lead you into the heights of success. Seeing you travel to different parts of the world, seeing you gaining success, victory, reaching major milestones, going viral for some of you. You know, I'm guided to say some of you need to start a YouTube channel, because when I read some of your comments, I'm thinking to myself, why haven't they got a YouTube channel? Like, my butterflies are so intelligent, so knowledgeable, you know, with a lot of spiritual wisdom that I even learn from when I read some of your comments. Some of you should actually be on social media with your own platforms. Like, literally. And I would definitely follow you as well. I follow some of you back, you know. I don't know if some of you know that or not, but I follow some of you back. And I feel like some of you should have your own platforms, because you have a lot of knowledge that is very beneficial for others. And you will be successful with this world card. This is indication to say, this is confirmation to say, some of you should have your own YouTube channel, your own TikTok, your own Instagram. Some of you should release your own book. Some of you should have your own podcast. Because whatever it is that you do, it will be successful. It may feel like it's taken a long time for it to grow, but it will grow. You just have to keep putting in the work. You just have to keep being consistent. You will attract your tribe. You have to keep enjoying what you do. Yeah, there are going to be some days where you're like, oh my days. But remember why you're doing it for. You're doing it for the love. You're doing it to help. You're doing it to heal. You're doing it to inspire. You're doing it to bring clarity and hopefully healing. But some of you are definitely guided to do this. Maybe you may have said to someone, you know, I want to start my own YouTube. They're like, oh, I don't think you should. Some of you may want to do a YouTube on fashion. Some of you may want to do a YouTube on roller skating, music, or go into different parts of the world, talking about spirituality, talking about religions, cultures, philosophy, whatever the case is. Spirit is saying, do it. There is an audience out there for you. And I feel like this could be something that is going to shock a lot of people, because we've got the world card and we've got the star card. Star card is ruled by Aquarius, and Aquarius rules the 11th house, which is the social media house, groups, clubs and organizations. And this is indication to say you will get a large following. And many people who doubted you are going to be shocked by your following. They may have felt like you were an outsider. They may have outcasted you, only to find out that you have a whole army of supporters, a whole army of people that you consider your tribe, a community that you've created. They're going to be so shocked just because they didn't invest in you. That's one of the reasons why they're going to be shocked. They may have felt like they were better than you, for some of you, but they're going to get humbled when they realize that just because they feel a certain way about you, other people don't. And they're going to be thinking, how did you do it? How? Because they only saw your worth from their view. And their opinions will not matter in the grand scheme of things, because they are outnumbered. They're not going to understand how you were able to accumulate this massive wealth that you are going to gain. They thought they had you worked out. How did they get this relationship? I didn't even know they were dating. He loves her, innit? She loves him, innit? It's not going to last though. Forget all that. They're just hating. They will be hating. They thought that people slept on you. Maybe because they slept on you. Maybe because they abandoned you. They wanted other people also to abandon you. But you're too powerful. You're too strong. You're too stubborn. Spirit is saying be stubborn. Don't give up. And because you're not going to give up, you're going to gain the blessings. They're going to know that you're not one to play with. They're going to have that moment. They will have that moment where they will think, wow, I didn't see that coming. Really, I underestimated them. Because the shock that they're going to gain, it may take them out for a week. They're not going to be able to comprehend. In their mind, they're going to be thinking, how did you do it? When do you do it? How did you think of doing it? Who came up with this idea? How did you get into the relationship? When did they start dating? All these thoughts whilst you're still winning. Whilst being unbothered. And they're going to be in the energies of the Three of Swords. Angry, heartbroken over your success. It's because they did not believe that you will be able to achieve what you could achieve. And it's going to make them feel some type of way, because they're going to feel like they've wasted a lot of time. For some of you, they are wasting time. You know, in their view, they could be thinking, oh, you're not doing it, or other people around me are not doing it, whatever that it is. So I'm not going to bother. But when you come out and they see this success, or that you're winning, that you're gaining this praise for your skills and talents, and that you've reached a milestone in your career, or that you gain this dream job, you know, that's just like, wow, they're going to think, wait a minute, what am I doing? And that's when the Three of Swords is going to really sting with this individual. And on top of that, the fact that they didn't really rate you, meaning they didn't really think much of what you are doing or what you said you were going to do. The fact that they didn't even know you were doing this thing is going to sting even more. And they're going to be in this energy. 4 of Cups. Some of them may ask you for help. These same people that didn't support you, didn't believe in you, They are going to want some of your stardust, your magic, because you are abundant and you are creative. You are a boss. This is Aries and this is Libra. They oppose each other. Their energy, whoever these people are, will feel like it's not a match. You may repel their energy for some of you. And I feel for some of you, you wanted to win with this person, but they didn't want you to win, or they didn't believe in you. And I feel like that's more of a disappointment, because unfortunately you're going to have to leave these people behind. And they will see you in a leadership position. And this could be in regards to someone that you work with. Maybe you both started at the same time, but you're going to get a managerial position. You're going to be in a position of power. For some of you, you are respected by the bosses, the CEOs, and this person may feel like, what about me? They didn't put in the work like you did. They don't have your personality. Basically, you're going to reap the benefits of all the hard work. Remember what I said about 10 years? It's going to come into completion very soon. Nothing's by accident. And that's the thing. You've been working in silence behind the scenes. So some of these people may feel like, some people may feel as if you're lucky. So can I get some of that luck? Some people may even try and pay you to teach them. Some people may feel like it's not fair. How come they've got that and I didn't? They haven't been putting in the work. They've been chilling. Meanwhile, you're working hard behind the scenes, but you just don't tell anyone about it. Nothing's by accident. This is your good karma season. You've earned this. Don't feel guilty about winning. This is your time to shine.